Hello everyone. We are going to be looking at determinants of matrices. So we'll start with the first one, which is determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. So determinants, for example, if we have matrix A, is denoted by when you write the letter, just put a kind of line like this, two lines, two straight lines. So take note of that, or they will just write that A. So we have if determinant of A is equal to, if matrix A is A, B, C, D. You can see this array, this is put in a kind of square bracket. So take note of that. If A, B, C, D, you can see here, this is not square bracket. This is not square, it's just a line. So how do you get determinant of A? Is that this times this minus this times this. So what is the leading diagonal? Is A and D. So the determinant is the product of the main diagonal, which is A times D, which is AD, minus the product of the other diagonal, which is B times C, which is BC. So that is how to get determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. And in one of the first video we did, we talked about types of matrix. We talked about 4, and I said in that video that as time goes on, we are going to mention some other types. And one of the other types we are going to mention is what is called singular matrix. And the reason why I'm bringing it here is because it's going to give you a clue, an idea of what we are talking about based on determinant of matrix. So singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is 0. So when you solve a matrix and you get the answer 0, it is referred to as a singular matrix. Let's look at the questions we have. Number 1, we have if matrix A is 3, 4, 1, 2, find determinant of A. So determinant of A of 3, 4, 1, 2. So whenever you see this, it means that you're looking for determinant now. Is equal to this times this, 3 times 2, minus this times this, 1 times 4. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 times 4 is 4, is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. So determinant of this A is 2. The value is 2. Is this a singular matrix? No, because the value is not 0. Let's go to number 2. Which of the following matrices is a singular matrix? Let's try this. This times this. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the value here is 1. Is not a singular matrix. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 3 times 1, which is 3. That is 4 minus 3 is 1. Is not a singular matrix. 3 times 16 is 48. So 3 times 16 minus 8 times 6. 3 times 16 is 16 minus 8 times, 3 times 16 is 48. My bad. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So this should be the answer, option C. Let's try this. 0 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 times 1 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. It's only this one that gave us 0, 1. 0 as the final answer, as the determinant. So let's go to number 3. If we have determinant of 5x 3, 2 is equal to determinant of 3, 5, 4, 5. Find the value of x. Remember, we are talking about determinants. So bracket this times this minus this times this. 5 times 2 minus 3 times x is equal to this times this. 3 times 5 minus 4 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10 minus 3 times x is 3x is equal to 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4 times 5 is 20. Let's collect. Okay, let's say we have 10 minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 20 should give you minus 5. Let's collect like terms. So I have 10 when minus 5 comes here is plus 5 is equal to when minus 3x comes here is 3x. The minus will go out. 10 plus 5 is 15 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, our x is equal to 5. And that should be the final answer. So with this, we have treated how to solve determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So in our next video, we are going to talk about determinant of 3 by 3 matrix.